So, it's my bike check. Yeah, I love this baby. Alright, well first things first, ROSD frame, 21 inches. Best frame I've ever rode. You move on down, you got the profile crank arms, Odyssey JCPCs, otherwise known as Well-Go shin fuckers. You got the Animal Sprocky Balboa sprocket. I think this is a KMC chain, I'm not really even sure. Premium seat, this thing's like a fucking couch on wheels. You got Profile Totem hubs, gunmetal silver. Profile dicked me over, it took me like 2 months to get them, but it was worth it. Got stolen rims, couple missing spokes, that's alright. Just keeping it real. Some sort of C-post, not even sure. You got the Fly Pheno grips. Nice and long for doing tough nose. S&M Hoder bars, it's nice and tall. Fit down low stem. That thing's nasty. It balances out the Hoder's bars. And I got director forks. People talk shit on them. The best forks I ever rode. My valve stems are custom too. Yeah.